Could anybody walk through today's video? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove the door panel out of your Jeep TJ. First off is to remove the door crank. Insert that special tool which pushes the pin over. Once you hear it pop, just grab the door crank then and lift it off. Now there are 5 Torx screws which hold the door on, 2 in the handle, 1 in the side, and then 2 on the bottom. You do not need to remove the one from the door latch unless you're going to remove the latch itself, but it's not needed. That one here for the door handle is a T10. And that one is a T10. Then once you got all the screws out, the door will just come out. You're gonna have to kind of lift it, and then I find to slide it over to my right. I was just kind of working it. It's kind of stuck on there after being there for so many years, but just kind of wiggle it, kind of lift it up, and then yeah, you see it right there, slide it off. Pretty easy, eh? If you have any questions or comments, post them below. I'll see you guys in the next video.